We are now going to look at the AND function. This is similar to the OR function, except for that all logical tests within have to be true to return a true, and if any of them are false, it returns a false. Okay? But it basically works the same way. The syntax is similar. So let's start by having it put a true or a false in a word if the number of years with the company is over 20 or over, and the appraisal score is 3 or over. Okay, so we start out the same way. I'm going to use my insert function, use my and okay, great. So my first logical test is going to be that has to be greater than or equal to 20, because I want to include the 20, and that the appraisal score is greater than or equal to 3. And then I just okay that. And in this case, they're both true. When I go through, not all of them are. So we've got some false as well as true. So that's great, but I don't know about you, but the true and the false, not really attractive. So what we can do is we can nest the and within the if, and you could always just copy this or cut it and paste it. I'm not going to. I'm going to create them right from scratch. And in the last video I used for the OR, I used the insert function. This time I'm actually going to type it. I'm going to type everything. So I'm going to start with the equals, and then I go with my if. Now in my logical test, this is where I put my and it doesn't matter whether I put this in capitals or not. And then I open my bracket and it shows me my and. So I'm in logical 1, and I would like this to be greater than or equal to 20. Then I use my separator, which separates my logical 1 from my logical 2, my comma, and I now have my appraisal score is greater than or equal to 3. I do not have a third, which kind of has gone off the video here. I don't have the third logical, so I close my bracket and I'm back in my if. And now I put my comma, because I'm finished with my logical test, I'm now in my true. So if it's true, this person gets an award. Now, I just started typing A, but I can't do that because award is, you got it, text, so I need to put a quote without clicking anywhere else. I'm going to put award, and then I close my quotations. I put my comma to say I'm now in my false, and now I can say no award. Okay, and then I close my bracket. It goes bold, so I know that yes, I've closed everything. I now press enter, and then I can copy that down. And you can see that some of them have award and some of them have no award. And as with the previous video, I could have put 2 quotation marks together to make a blank, okay, to manually enter a blank. So that is the and nesting the and with the if.